I just called my client and told them that I really need to double cut it to make it look good and not clumped up everywhere. They got a lot of grass, and if I just lower the blade and cut, it's gonna be a mess. So I'm gonna cut it about 4 inches, and then I'm going to drop it down to about 3.5 or 3, and then I'm gonna get it all the way down to about 2.25 and be done with it. Make it look pretty. cut this backyard almost 4 times. It was very thick, so I didn't want to scalp it. Next time when I come back, I'll cut it just a little bit lower, but not much. It'll be pretty. This one turned out pretty good. All finished up. Look at them stripes. Done deal, Lucille.